and it's spotless bolt. Okay, so this is now the following day. Just a quick follow-up with regard to that fuel leak. So drawing air back into the system when it sits, I think it was losing prime also. But let's see, this is the first crank over now. There it goes. The idle's still a little tricky right when it starts, but I barely cranked it that time. So it's certainly been improved since what it was yesterday. So all right, that's just a quick little update video. I'm gonna be again following up with the muffler situation because she's noisy, but we'll get that sorted out and we'll move on from there. So I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching. Let's get a quick little pull from 0 to 80. Okay, just being real for a second. A quick 0 to 80 in a Chevette is definitely slow no matter how you count it and look at it. So let's just say that I was looking to go 0 to 80 and that was the end result. Right on, guys. See you next time around.